this, which then is the scale Rocket Lab. Check this out. Truly strong front flippers. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Ayla, the pilotless. Sea lions can generally boost at around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movements of their front flippers, while their back flippers are slouched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that is the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Ayan and Johnny. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to what is 25 miles per hour. And that is so fast. How about another class where I see the previous? Wow, nice slide. And another one. She deserves it. Now here's an interesting story